We're waiting for the running of the bulls. I think they're going to be coming down here and going down here somewhere down that way, I guess. We're all waiting here, waiting for the running of the bulls. I'm in a safe spot here, so I don't have to worry here. But there are some people down there. But I think they're going to have ropes on the bulls, so, you know, they're not going to be. It isn't like Pamplona or anything where people are darting in front of it. So we're just waiting here. We have to wait till the firecracker sounds. The bull is up there, but he's like way up there. You can just barely see him. Here he comes. They lost him again. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming down here. He's picking up speed. The people are running. There they go. He stopped. He stopped.
Oh, there's a bull.
Yeah, he's right there. Yeah. He's waiting there. He's got his horns covered there with stubby things. So there he is. It's one rope. I thought they had 5 ropes on it or something. He doesn't know where to go. There he goes.
He's so confused. He's so frightened. Poor thing. Let's go back. Oh, that's good.
Put on a little show there, huh? He's still down there, a lot of people there. Wait, now he's going back up the hill. He's going back up the hill. Now he's turning around. He's going to have to make a run here pretty soon here, I think. No, he's going back up.